Why simple language sounds smarter than complex English. A lot of English learners believe this. If I use complex words, I'll sound smarter. So they try to speak like a textbook. Long sentences, big vocabulary, formal phrases. But in real life, simple language often sounds smarter. 1. The biggest misunderstanding in English. This is the trap. In school, complex language looks impressive. But in the modern world, complexity often looks like this. Unclear, messy, forced, and insecure. People don't respect difficult English. They respect clear English because clarity is rare, and anything rare becomes valuable. 2. What smart actually sounds like today. Modern intelligence isn't about sounding advanced. It's about making your ideas easy to understand. In meetings, in leadership, in real conversation. Smart people don't say, "Allow me to elucidate the multifaceted components of this matter." They say, "Here's the point." That's not simple English. That's professional English. 3. Complex English can make you sound less confident. Here's the truth. When you use complex English, you increase the risk. You risk mistakes, awkward phrasing, wrong word choice, pronunciation uncertainty. And when you're not sure, people can feel it. Even if your grammar is correct, your confidence may not be. Simple English reduces risk, and confident speech sounds intelligent. 4. Clarity signals mastery. Think about the smartest teacher you ever had. They didn't confuse you. They didn't show off. They explained difficult things simply. That's mastery. And that's the same reason simple English sounds smart. Because simple language says, "I understand this well enough to explain it clearly." That's intelligence. 5. The impressive words problem. Many learners use impressive words to get respect, but impressive words can create distance. They don't always create trust. Sometimes they sound like you're trying too hard. You're hiding uncertainty. You're performing intelligence. And modern audiences can feel the performance. It feels unnatural. It feels fake. Clarity feels real. 6. Simple English is what real professionals use. Watch CEOs, leaders, and top speakers. They use basic words, short sentences, clean structure. Not because they can't speak better, because they understand communication. Your job isn't to show vocabulary. Your job is to transfer meaning. That's what professionals do. 7. How to sound smarter in English without complex English. This is the mindset shift. Stop asking, how can I sound advanced? Start asking, how can I sound clear? Then do 3 things. 1. Shorter sentences. 2. Cleaner words. 3. Stronger tone. And suddenly people think, this person is confident. This person is intelligent. This person is easy to trust. Not because your English is perfect, because your meaning is strong. Simple language sounds smarter than complex English because it shows confidence. It shows mastery. It shows clarity. If you want respect in the modern world, don't chase complexity. Chase precision. Chase simplicity. Because simple English doesn't sound weak. It sounds smart. I'm Eric. Thanks for watching English for the Modern World.